Hello, good evening friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel RPA Technology 22. I hope you are doing well, and in today's video my target is to explain what is joins and type of joins. So let's begin. So in a general language, if I ask you what is joins, so definitely answer would be if we want to connect two object or more object, then we can use a join word. Okay, so here you can see one example I have taken. If I want to connect a red wire with a blue wire, then I can use join words. We are connecting this two wires. Okay, this is we call joins. So similarly, in SQL, if we want to connect two table or more table, suppose we have table A and table B. Then if you want to show this both table data in a single query, then we need to use joins. Okay, but there is a one condition. If we want to join this two table, there should be a common value between table A and table B. Okay, so I have taken one example. I have created two tables, student tables. So this table contains student ID and student name. So this student have taken some courses. So those courses entry I have made in this table, courses table. So this table contains student ID and the course they have taken. Okay, so if I want to show this both table data in a single query, okay, then I need to use joins. Okay, so this is we call joins. So in SQL we have three type of joins. Okay, so those types I will show you. I have written here. So first is the inner join. Inner join have two subtypes. Outer join have three subtypes, and other join that have two special type. Okay, so below I have created the hierarchy of this join. So here you can see first is the inner join. So inner join have two subtypes, explicit inner join and implicit inner join. So here is a one question come, what is the difference between two joins? So answer would be in the if we look for the output now, so output will be the same for both the query. This both inner join will give you same output, but difference is in a SQL query syntax. Okay, so I in this tab I have written this explicit join and implicit join. If I run this both query now, you will see you will get the same output. Okay, you can see the output coming is the same, but the difference is here. You can see in explicit join we are using inner join word and on word, but in implicit join we are using comma and where clause. Okay, so this is the old style. Okay, this is very risky. So nowadays we are using explicit inner join. Okay, so I will explain you this things in next video in detail. Just you keep in mind, for this joins you will get the same output. Okay, but only difference is in the syntax, SQL syntax. This is called joins. Okay, so now come to this outer join. Outer join have three types: left join, right join, full join. So what is the difference between three join? Okay, so difference is in the output, not in query. Query will be the same. Okay, only this at one place the one word will change, that I will explain you. So output will be the different, but the query we write, syntax we write would be the same. So let's understand the left join. So consider we have in the left side table A. In table A we have left side, I can say table A is a student table. Okay, table A, this is the student table. and table B we have courses. So this student table is in the left side and this courses table is in the right side. Okay, so what will happen in left join? In left join we will get all the row from the student table, and whichever student ID is present in the courses table, those matching row we will get. Okay, so I will show you. Here I have written one join, left join. So you can see in student table we have four records, 1 2 3 4. So this four row we will get. Okay, and for you can see this 1 2 3 4, 3 is not present here and 5 is not present in a student table. So here you can see we will get 1 2 4. Okay, four rows we are getting, but this 3 student ID is not present in a courses table, so we are getting null value. You can see in courses, so we are getting third student ID is not present, so we are getting null value. Okay, so what is this is the left join. So let's move to the right join. We have second is a right join. So right join will be the reverse of the left join. What will happen? We will get all the entries from the B table. We will get 1 2 4 5, and the matching ID which is present from this table. If any student ID is present in a student table, we will get those student names. So we will get the 1 2 4. For this records we will get the student name, but for 5 we will get the null value. Okay, you can see in right join. See, we are getting all entry from this right joining. Okay, we are getting Python, Java, .NET, this AIML. The fifth one is the AIML, but this for this fourth entry student ID is 5. You can see student ID is 5, which is not present in a student table. Correct? So we are getting the null value for it. You can see null value we are getting. Okay, this is the second right join. Now third join is a full join. So in full join what will happen? We will get all the record from the left table, A student table, and all the record from the B table from the courses table. Okay, matching records and unmatching records. You can see. So 1 2 3 4 from the student table we are getting all records. Okay, and this fifth record we are getting from courses. Okay, so from both the table matching and unmatching record we will get in full join. Okay, it is a combination of left join and right join. Okay, now come to the other joins. So other join have two types, cross join and self join. In cross join what will happen, like suppose this table A student name contain uh, 4 records. Okay, this contain 4 records and this courses table contain 4 records. So we will multiply this 4 into 4 into 16. So we will get the 16 combination. Okay, so combination would be like student 1 Smith will take 4 courses. Okay, Python, Java, .NET, AI, ML courses. It will take 4 courses. Same as this John, Henry and Davis will get 4 courses. Here I have written this cross join query as well. Okay, here we are using the cross join keyword. You can see here in right bottom 16 rows affected. You can see 16 rows. So Smith, John, Henry, Davis taken the Python course. then again entry is made for this for record they have taken Java courses. Like this maximum combination we will get. Okay, this is we call cross join. Now move to the last join. Last join is a self join. So in self join, what we are doing, we are connecting table A to itself. Okay, we are connecting same table to itself. Here I have written the query. You can see here student table. I have mentioned the alias as S1. Same student table I have mentioned the alias S2, and we are connecting them to each other. Okay, based on the student ID. Here you can see the output. Only matching ID student name it will show. Okay, so this is the called self join. These are all 7 types of join, and I will create a single video on each join to explain in detail. Okay, so in next video I will also explain you equi join and non equi join. Okay, so equi join and non equi join we use in each join. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Okay, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.